Alright guys, so I finished cleaning my keyboard. So now all I have to do is just put the stabilizers in for the space bar, and I will be right back. So let me get it. Alright guys, so we got I got it all in. So now let's start with the numbers. So let's get the numbers in real quick. You already know we gotta do the WASD real quick. You already know we got WASD, so let's get the numbers in. Alright, it's all finished, but low-key it looks the same as it did when I started. By the way, I'm getting a 60% keyboard later, so yeah, dude.